Namaskar. Making railway concession card for Divyang has become even easier. Now, railway concession card for Divyangs can be made from home. Process of application for Divyangjan Railways Concession ID card. Number 1. Log in to www.divyangajanid.indianrailway.government.in. Number 2. Register yourself for new application. Number 3. For new registration, go to new user. Number 4. Select the state. Number 5. Select the nearest railway station. Number 6. Verify with Aadhaar. Number 7. Write the name of the applicant. Number 8. Enter the Aadhaar number. Number 9. OTP will come on the mobile. Enter it. Number 10. Write the mail ID and enter the mobile number. Number 11. OTP will come on the mobile. Enter it. Number 12. Select the type of disability of the applicant. Number 13. Sign up by entering the captcha. Number 14. After this, go to applicant login. Number 15. Login with mobile number. Number 16. Select apply for concession card. Number 17. Fill the form and also upload concession certificate photo, disability certificate, birth certificate, photo identity card and address proof. Number 18. Select the name of the city issuing the concession card. Number 19. Write the name of the hospital issuing the certificate. Number 20. Write the name of the doctor issuing the certificate. Number 21. Enter the registration number of the doctor issuing the certificate. 22nd. Enter the 09 digit of the disability certificate. 23. Save and submit. Thank you so much. Reader is Ashwini Jagtap. धन्यवाद.